Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you 3 classic ways that we can make 3 outfits out of 2 shirts. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to start up by buttoning up the shirt like that. We are going to turn it and button it up on the other side like that. As for me, I went for a striped shirt with a plain colored shirt. You can choose any color from your wardrobe that go well together. So now we are done with doing the buttons. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to grab the sleeves on the left side and we are going to tie a knot. We are going to tie it like a bow to make it look stylish. Like that, that's how we make a bow. And now we are done with the bow. It looks perfect. So now onto the other side, we do the same thing. We tie a bow.
Now you're here and my skies turn blue. Your touch, your vibe got me hypnotized. Baby, you're my truth, no need.
And that is our first outfit, guys. It's a dress and it looks awesome. Felt like it was kinda loose, so I grabbed a lace and I tied it around the neck like that to make it secure. And I think it looks just awesome. I should get a standing ovation for this one. It's awesome. Go ahead and rock it, guys. Go ahead and rock it.
I know I'm not perfect, not even close, but what I feel for you, it's real. If you fall, I'll catch you. If you cry, I'll wipe your tears. If you get lost.
So now on our second project, we are going to undo the dress now. We are going to tie up the sleeves like that on the shoulder. We are just going to make an ordinary knot like that. And we are going to do the same on the other side. We are going to tie a knot on the shoulder. On this one though, we are going to tie it a little lower to make it kind of shoulder like that. I'm going to tie a belt. You can do without, but I think it looks cute with a belt. So we're going to tie it up like that. And we are done. It's a beautiful top. You can rock it without anyone knowing that it's a hack. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. So go ahead and rock this one too, guys. Look at that amazing top, guys. Look at that.
Every time you smile, the world fades away. You pull me close and I just wanna stay. Your love is like the ocean deep and
so now guys, we are on our third project. It's a skirt and this is how we're going to do it. My waist was kind of loose, so I used a belt to make it steady. I tied the belt like that.
no lies, no games, just truth in your eyes. Promise me love will never say goodbye. You don't let go. And the fire
And the waist was sorted. So now I grabbed a lace and I tied it below the waist like that. I tie a secure knot. And then I began to pull out the shirts like that.
I used to pray for someone like you. Now you're here and my skies turn blue. Your touch, your vibe got me hypnotized. Baby, you're my truth, no need to hide.
Sometimes love feels like a ride on a bus through the city. You get on thinking you know the destination, but the
Now we are done. It's giving a balloon skirt.
detours. For you,
That's it, guys. That's it, guys. We are done. Look at that. Look at that. Go ahead and rock it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Remember to subscribe.